Hi, my name is Michael Weisz. I'm the founder and president of Yieldstreet. At Yieldstreet, our mission is to help millions of people access alternative investments and get on a road to financial independence. Now, we believe that for all too long, access to and distribution of alternative investments has been fundamentally broken, leading to an income and opportunity gap. Our goal is by 2025 to help millions of people invest $25 billion and generate $3 billion of income on Yieldstreet. Now, leveraging on our historical success here at Yieldstreet, we continue to think about new and innovative investment strategies to bring to you, our retail investor community. And so I want to take a minute to zoom out and share with you how we think about our strategies and how we pick the different asset classes that we invest in. And so from a macro perspective, we think about investing in two categories, income and asset appreciation. On the income side, we're thinking about investing in opportunities that are going to generate some level of consistency in your yields and your returns, whether it be interest payments or some other form of cash flow. Now, many of those investments we've already brought to you. Think about our real estate investments, our legal finance, our supply chain finance, etc. On the asset appreciation side and on the growth side, we're really thinking about where can our community of investors invest that historically, traditionally only institutions have been able to invest. And so from that perspective, what we're thinking about today is we want to understand where the dislocation and the distress has occurred as a result of COVID and how we, as a community of investors, can be part of that story of rebuilding American businesses and participating in the equity convexity and the growth that comes along with that. And so to give you a few examples, as I think about what has seen tremendous dislocation or distress, let's think about aviation. So the travel industry, we know at its peak, declined more than 90%. Think about hotels, think about hospitality, restaurants, and the list goes on. And so we make a list to understand where we think the most dislocation has been. And then we try to ask ourselves, fundamentally, which asset classes and which businesses do we believe have been affected long-term or are going to rebound as strong as they were or even stronger before. So for example, if you think about offices, we think the office market is going to change. But if you ask yourself about travel and about hotels, we think that individuals are going to continue to be global citizens. We're going to continue to travel. And as soon as we get comfortable, whether that be in 1 or 2 or 3 years, we are going to achieve peak travel just like we've seen pre-COVID. And so for us, the next question is, okay, we've identified where there's significant distress, which asset classes we believe fundamentally are just as strong as they were pre-COVID. Now the question is, how do we want to invest in them? And so at Yieldstreet, what we're looking to do is identify third-party managers who have deep expertise in a particular asset class and see if we can partake and co-invest with them as they go and create value for their shareholders.